Annika Nelson. I'm a junior and I'm currently taking woodworking.
I'm Emery Hippen. I'm a sophomore and I'm taking autos.
I'm Emma Behrens. I'm a junior and I'm in autos.
My name's Haley Jackson. I'm a senior and I'm taking building trades and automotives.
I'm Emma Pingle. I'm a senior and I'm in welding. I just think it's fun. It's fun to work with fire sometimes. I mean, you get scared about blowing up, but as long as you're smart about it, you don't have to worry about it. But it's definitely something that I see myself pursuing in the future. We have welding booths, which are usually used for TIG and stick. But right now I am working on oxyacetylene. So that's the fire part. That's where fire comes in.